After a long day of hiking, there's nothing better than a hot meal or a fresh cup of coffee. But if you've ever tried to cook on a flimsy, unreliable stove, you know that a bad piece of gear can turn that moment of comfort into a moment of frustration. Today, we're fixing that. We're reviewing the top 10 best camping stoves of 2025. We've got everything from all-in-one systems that boil water in a flash to ultralight stoves that disappear into your pack, and even some that run on nothing but twigs. Let's dive in and find the perfect fire for your next adventure. Product 1. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System. Blasting off with the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1, the efficiency engine for your backpack. This integrated beast uses cutting-edge heat exchange tech to slash wind woes and boil water 30% faster than old-school stoves. Think hot ramen in record time, even on gusty ridges. At a featherlight 18 ounces, everything a stove, 1 liter anodized pot, and fuel spot nests inside the pot for ninja-level packing minus the canister, but it plays nice with most except Coleman. The piezo igniter sparks instantly, no fumbling for matches, and that locking stainless handle with neoprene sleeve keeps things safe and scald-free. Users rave its jet boil level performance at half the price, boiling sub-zero brews like a champ, though watch that igniter. A few say it flakes after one trip. Pro move, pair with a windscreen for max fury. Number 2, MSR Pocket Rocket 2, the Minimalist Mini Missile. This 2.6-ounce pocket rocket folds to a tiny 2x2 by 3 inches, perfect for ultralight obsessives hitting the PCT or global jaunts. It scorches a liter in 3.5 minutes with simmer-to-boil finesse for trail gourmet, no priming. Just screw on isobutane propane, widely available worldwide, and go. Serrated supports grip any pot size, and the protective case seals the deal. Campers love its no-fuss reliability. It's the set-it-and-forget-it hero for fast boils or fancy sots. At that weight, your pack thanks you. 3. Fire Maple Series, the ultralight underdog that punches way above. At 3 ounces and folding to 2, multiplied by 2 inches, this stainless steel ceramic aluminum hybrid slips into your pocket like a secret weapon. Fuel-efficient flames max out your canister life for marathon melts, and it's winter wind warrior ready. The piezo igniter lights like lightning, and 4-prong supports cradle big pot steady. Pair it with the G3 for peak synergy. Users boil in under 2 minutes, even breezy, calling it a compact powerhouse at steel pricing. Not for heat exchanger pots, though, heads up. 4th, JetBoil Flash Java 2025's Coffee Commander. 1-turn auto ignition mimics your kitchen knob for match-free magic with stainless steel guts that laugh at sparks. Safe touch rubber zones stay cool under fire, and the 3-point lock snaps pot secure with visual cues. It blitz 16 ounces in 2 minutes via flux ring tech, having fuel guzzling ideal for dehydrated delights or Don Joe. The silicone French press stows inside the 1-liter cup, which doubles as a measurer, all at 13.1 ounces. New colors scream style. Campers dig the home stove simplicity for trail lats. 5. Camping Moon XD2F, the foldable fury for forget-me-nots. At 3.2 ounces, this regulator-equipped wonder folds flat into a canvas bag with detachable supports for pocket-sized piece. The built-in regulator delivers steady flames rain or shine, burning 1.4 hours on an 8-ounce canister at 3.3 kW output. Piezo igniter and wide base handle big skillet sans wobbles, winter or windy. No sweat. Users praise its setup in seconds ease for backpacking barbecues. Economical and emergency essential. 6. Kuvik Titanium Wood Stove, Fuel-Free Freedom. This 6.8-ounce Grade 1 titanium Titan collapses to 0.2 inches thick with a soot-proof case keeping your pack pristine. Tab slot setup in seconds creates a freestanding fire pit with stoking vents and versatile racks for any pan. Burn twigs, bark, or roots, no canisters needed for eco-epics. Corrosion-proof and steel-strong, it's bug-out bag gold for survival kits. Ultralight adventurers hail its endless fuel vibe for off-grid feasts. 7. Soto Windmaster with 4 Flex the Gale Busting Gourmet. At 2.3 ounces, this shock-resistant stealth igniter dodges breakage, boiling 2 cups in 2.5 minutes even in howling winds. Concave burner plus close pot design acts like a built-in windscreen, sipping fuel efficiently 1.5 hours on 8 ounces. 4-flex supports giant pots, Triflex for minis. Butane/isobutane/propane mixes only, no pure propane. Keep it clean for peak performance. Users swear it's a wind-proof wizard for stormy simmers. 8. Jetboil Minimo, precision for personal feasts. Flux ring tech boils in over 2 minutes with half the fuel waste, regulator dialing simmers for sauce mastery down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1-liter cup's metal handles and low spoon cozy make one-pot wonders easy eat straight from it. Sideways burner storage shrinks the pack at lightweight glory. Includes stabilizer and support. Campers love the controlled chaos. For trail tacos, a 1-year warranty seals it. 9. Ohuhu wood burner with grill, versatile inferno. At 0.98 pounds, this stainless steel setup assembles tool-free in seconds, fitting gear bags or car trunks. Burn wood, gas, or tablets on its expansive grill surface. Adjustable ash catcher dials heat too. 8 by 3, 8 inches high for grilling or warming. Detachable plate adds flair, eco, and emergency ready. Users flip for its forage anywhere freedom and pot pan prowess camping, hiking, or SHTF. Final flare, cobbler with butane adapter, the adaptable all-rounder. Folds tiny into a zipper case, screwing on canisters in a minute for bug-out bliss. Wide base and flame valve crank heat for big skillets or quick coffee, fitting 1 lb propane or butane via adapter, economical endurance. Sturdy supports prevent tip-overs. Users dig the smooth adjustment for everything from boils to bakes. Stable, powerful, portable perfection. That's your 2025 Stove Squad, from featherweights to fire pits. My top torch? The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 for that unbeatable ultra-light punch. Which lights your fire? Comment, share with your squad, and subscribe for more gear glow-ups. Stay fueled, stay wild, to catch you on the flip side.